This is Cooper, and today I'm going to be speaking on the basic life insurance basics. What I did was I went to OPM's website like I typically do and just printed off some basic information that they have just to make sure that what I'm talking about is actually fact. But I guess what I'd like to speak on first is just a little basic information on FEGLI. FEGLI is Federal Employee Group Life Insurance, also known as FEGLI. A lot of federal employees I see actually don't know that it's called FEGLI. They just know that it's their life insurance. But whenever you hear somebody mention FEGLI, they're talking about your Federal Employee Group Life Insurance. But FEGLI was actually started on August 29th, 1954, a long time ago. So this is something that CSRS and FERS employees are covered under. And something I didn't realize but makes a lot of sense is that FEGLI is actually the largest group life insurance program in the entire world. Okay, it's got over 4 million federal employees and retirees, and also has some of their family members. But that's not just the U.S., that's the entire world. Okay, there's a lot of federal employees that are covered by FEGLI. And something that a lot of people don't know is that FEGLI isn't actually controlled, or I guess funded by, or I'm not sure the correct term I should use, but MetLife is actually the insurance company that takes care of FEGLI. So a lot of people think that the federal government actually has like their own insurance company or something like that, but that's not actually how it is. It's actually under MetLife. And MetLife is probably, if not the largest, one of the largest insurance companies in the entire world. But they're the ones who pay out your premiums and things like that on your death benefits and your life insurance and things like that. But like I said, it's one of the largest programs. And basic life insurance is something that nearly all federal employees have. Okay, the only reason you wouldn't have it is because you waived it or you got rid of it. Okay, and for most federal employees, it's 15 cents per thousand. Okay, so however many thousand of your salary, it's 15 cents per pay period per thousand. Okay, and that doesn't increase. That's something that stays fixed through your career. Something of note, though, is when you get into retirement, okay, and you get beyond your service, you're going to have the option of dropping basic life insurance. And if you don't drop it, actually what happens is it reduces down to 25% of the original benefit. So it reduces by 75%. You retain the 25% unless you pay the premiums to keep it. And I'm not sure the premiums. I'll put a link below where you can look at the premiums, and also put a link below where you can learn a little bit more about basic life insurance. But it's something to be aware of. For you postal employees, you actually don't pay for basic life insurance. Basic life insurance is provided to you. I'm not sure why you are the only agency that it's provided, but it's just a little extra benefit that you receive. And it is nice to have. The way you calculate basic life insurance is actually pretty simple. You take your salary, you add 2,000 to it, or actually, excuse me, let me redo that. You take your life or your salary, you round it up to the nearest thousand. So just for an example, let's say your salary was $45,129. Well, you'd round that up to the nearest thousand, which would be 46,000, and then you'd add 2,000 to it. So that'd be 48,000. That'd be your basic life insurance death benefit. If you were to pass away, that's what would pass to your heirs, the 48,000. So those are just some basics on basic life insurance, how to calculate it, how much you pay for it, what happens with it in retirement. If you have any more questions on basic life insurance, any of the other life insurance, or any of your other benefits, feel free to comment below. I'd appreciate it if you like and share this video. We'll keep them coming. I enjoy doing them. There's a lot of benefit to be had from just knowing about your benefits. In the meantime, you can visit our blog, fedretirementplanning.com. That's where I'm blogging about a lot of these issues and things that, there isn't so much. There's a lot of information out there on these things, but sometimes they can be so complicated and so hard to figure out that they're hard to find and hard to understand. So I'm just trying to, I guess our tagline is making a complex system simple. But I've been Cooper. I appreciate you watching, and look out for the next one. Thanks.